here on opening day of Galaxy's Edge. We thought we weren't going to make it in, but then it's just been
literally middle of the day, and they were only accepting reservations through the app, and now it's just open because not a lot of people are here.
Good thing we wore our Star Wars gear. We're ready. Mommy, show your Star Wars gear.
Oh yes. You know what I say about today? Do or do not. There is no try.
Exactly. So we are gonna go get
and we probably won't ride the Millennial Falcon, but like the Millennium Falcon is only like 150 weight for opening day. Like, it's crazy. Everyone is so in it. We've seen a lot of people just like embracing
when
Star
we were
Wars.
checking in, the person was like, use the Force.
The funny thing about this is we're not even Star Wars fans. What? Sorry, I'm just excited. Tell your story.
No, it's fine. I don't even want to tell it.
No, tell it. I want to hear it.
I don't want to tell it.
Do you want me to tell it?
Because the guy, when we were checking in at security, was like, hey guys, like, use the Force to turn it green. So like everyone is like just all in on like the Star Wars lingo.
Yeah, and you can't. Okay, so when we go to Galaxy's Edge, we can't say hello. We say bright suns.
No, I'm not saying.
What do you say?
We got our annual pass holder shirts. That's what they look like. Black Spire Atlas. Yeah, and then it says annual pass holder. Here are
Here's the pass holder.
the pins. I don't know if I like this one better or that one.
Are you pass holders by chance?
Yeah. Yes.
Alright, because I see so many people grab this stuff and they get upset with me.
Do you have your 20 with you?
Alright, I'm gonna get this pin. It's the opening day pin. Very cool. I have a lot of Hondo Pops still in stock. A lot.
Okay. That's all. I want to leave here.
Here is the everything that you can get opening day collection. This was only at Once Upon a Time. Right?
Here's the first
Oh my god. Oh my god. I feel like I'm gonna cry a little bit. We're entering the 2.
I can't believe it.
I like literally think I might cry. I don't even like Star Wars. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my god.
Did you show it on the video?
Oh my god.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh god, travelers guys.
Wait, why? I feel like I might cry.
Wow.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I said I don't even like Star Wars, I feel like I might cry. Oh my god. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Here to show me. I'm feeling one with the Force.
I am really too. I am really feeling one with the Force. I think it's our outfits make us one with the Force.
Yeah.
Wow. It's really big.
Oh my god.
Racer, isn't that the racer that
A Skywalker?
no, that's our
We're gonna sound like idiots in this video.
no, what's his name?
Darth Maul.
There's Chewie.
Shane to get out on math and see what we want to do.
Alright, that's the plan. I have no idea.
Hi guys, please stay on the right hand side, right hand side, right hand side.
I don't know. Look at how cool this is.
So this is like the evil area, I think.
Yeah.
Suspicious activity
grass? No, it doesn't.
Wait, can I try to?
People say it has like a very earthy scent, and then people say if you mix them together, it's even better.
Oh, I like this one better.
Okay. That has a lot more flavor.
Yeah, this is more like more like a popsicle, and this is like a smoothie.
Yeah.
Like
The
this.
textures, I feel like that one's thick. Like it's like the textures are weird, not what I was expecting.
This also like it reminds me of something from my childhood, like a gummy. Sometimes
People also say this kind of tastes like the milk of.
doesn't it taste like a lifesaver?
This kind of tastes like the milk of a cereal, like if you had a sugary cereal, and then let the milk sit in.
It doesn't. It doesn't. I've been to the milk bar in New York.
No.
It doesn't.
No, it
No, it's
doesn't.
got too much of a
All right, so
tang.
It's all
we're proving these theories
Yeah,
false.
let's do a.
Oh,
It's like a mating drink.
like freaking South Pacific.
Expect your compliance. Am I
Oh my
making
God.
myself clear?
Oh my god, oh my god.
Good. You will cooperate.
I don't know.
Troopers!
Where's the Kylo Ren? Kylo Ren.
Supreme leader.
The spy was trapped here. A small outpost on a small planet. Your mission was clear.
You will escort the Supreme Leader.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Is he coming? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Let this be a lesson to you all. The First Order will use its full power to
He's
find
so
out
serious.
anything it needs to know. Carry on with your day. If you are stopped for questioning, I suggest you do as you are ordered.
They were not in mugs I used to get that Papa bought for us.
With the
That's
Millennium Falcon.
really cool.
That's really cool. A lot of Jedi robes. I don't think so, and it would be very hot. So there's just like, there's this little like nook. This is the market, I think. It's the market, and there's just like a ton of little like nooks that like, and all the merchandise is different in all of them. So check them all out. Yeah, so this one right here that we were just in was like Jedi robes and like, why are you laughing? She wants to be in it. Mommy, what do you think of it? Just lurking in the back. So this had like Jedi robes and stuff like that. The one over there had more stuff specifically to the Black Spire outpost. So you really have to check everything out. Yeah. Oh my god! Look at little Chewie! Look at the board! Oh my god! That's so cute! Leaving the two. Bright so great. We're gonna be back in October and we're gonna ride, well you're probably not, but I'm gonna ride the ride. It was a 2-hour wait, which isn't too bad, but like, but for right, like we didn't even think we were gonna be in here. Yeah. So we just like,
it honestly wasn't.
and we really did.
So many photo passes, like
Maybe while you ride the ride next time, I'll make a lightsaber and be a literal nerd. So, but we did a lot of things. We tried green milk. We went in all the shops.
and blue milk. Yeah.
Exit this way. So overall, 10 out of 10. Literally, we got here at 2 p.m. on opening day and walked right in.
Yeah,
it was crazy.
We did it. Now we're gonna go.
We did it.
Opening day